Hey, this is a little C, and I'm about to do an unboxing of a Mac Pro. I just had it I had it in Best Buy and had those Geek Squad assholes installed Norton antivirus. So apparently released it right here. Here. And I don't know what the heck this is. Oh, probably the disc or something, I don't know. Cushing, which is Cushing right here, which is pretty good. Charging pod, flash, I don't know. Oh yeah, charger, whatever it is. I don't know. There's nothing underneath it, as you can see. But see, it's pretty nice. Yeah. Come on, Corey. Let's go down there and see if we can get out. Yep. This has been an unboxing of yours truly. And thank you for watching. Goodbye.